The one thing about a helicopter is, as you can see, he doesn't have to go out to down Brady Street there to turn around and come back. He can keep that thing directly in front of us throughout the entire show. Another very, very tight loop. And there is absolutely nothing natural about this. I would imagine that Igor Sikorsky, often known as the father of the modern helicopter, would never have possibly imagined you could do this.
I'll see if you can call his friend right now.
As Chuck brings the helicopter down low, Chuck Aaron from California, flying for the Redbull Air Force, and the Redbull helicopter, one of the most sought-after air show acts in the world, because there is no place else in the world you'll ever see a helicopter go upside down. Chuck takes a bow at show center. Give him a great big wave, ladies and gentlemen.